people. So this is my fourth review of the day, and I have to say this, people, that even while I'm reviewing, there's a part of me that's thinking, how can I review and basically make videos where it'll help a larger section, larger whole set of people. So then it occurred to me that sometimes no, it also helps to have a certain reference guide, like in terms of, I wish like someone were to compile a list of 10 websites you should see using. So if you are a Hyderabadi, which most of my audience is, like, because I catch hold of y'all in the metro train to subscribe to my channel. So there's this website called fullhide.com, and it's been there for more than a decade. And people, I was just going through it just a few days ago, and it's like this whole comprehensive guide for the entire city. Yeah, I mean, like in terms of right from the latest movies to the, I mean, Full Height was set up long before any of these Hyderabad based magazines became popular, So, and at that point, see, when I was 19, and that's been more than a decade since then, but more than a decade, like, I think so. So that's what people, fullheight.com. If you're a Hyderabadi, you should visit this site, because any information about the city, it's like you would have Just Dial or Yellow Pages. I think on the net, Full Height does a full Hyderabad profile. So, and today being Eid and all, so, but it says a lot. Yeah, like, you can't really, I'll be honest, many of the new crop of magazines are, I don't know, supposed to be Hyderabad centric, but basically it's their own community centric, or some of the new crop of magazines. But if you want an unbiased view about what is good in Hyderabad, the places to hang out and all, fullheight.com is the place to visit. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.